Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. That's why it is recommended to eat pistachios regularly. Few people now know about the useful properties of pistachios, but they often use them. Therefore, today we will tell you why you need to eat pistachios almost every day. 1. Pistachio reduces the risk of heart disease. Contain potassium, which helps reduce blood pressure. 2. Thanks to the fiber, the process of digestion is accelerated, and the metabolism is stimulated. 3. Contain useful substances that positively affect the sight of a person and protect the eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. 4. They include a large amount of phosphorus and magnesium, strengthens the teeth and gives them a healthy appearance. 5. Contain vitamins B6, which can activate the brain. Take advantage of our advice and then you will be truly happy and healthy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.